It's interesting how when you have somebody that knows this information, the courts will do everything in their power to say that they're incompetent. So today was just such a good day in court for me. I got to see two cases in the same situation in the area in which I practice. In this next case, there was a guy. I don't know what his charges was. All I know is they were coming in to discuss the competency. Okay? So he is speaking clear as day, very intellectual, very alert, nothing wrong with him at all. All he wanted to tell the judge was, I am competent. I'm not incompetent. The reason why they keep trying to get me a competency hearing interview is because I asked for a new lawyer. The lawyer is not representing my interests. That's what he said. So when he started saying the lawyer is not representing my interests, the judge looked at me. That was so weird. This is how I be knowing that they be talking about me in there. The judge looked at me and she said, I need everybody to clear the room, cut the recorder off, and exit out of WebMD. I'm at WebEx. And then she looked back at us again and she said, everybody need to clear the room now. And she said, the person that was talking, the guy, the inmate, and then his lawyer, and then the prosecutor was the only ones allowed in there. I don't know what else I can tell you guys. You'll get there. You'll get there when the time is right for you to get there, for you to understand this stuff. But a judge is not going to clear the room unless it's something that she don't want nobody to know. A judge is not going to go off of record for any matter if it's pertaining to public record, right? But this information we telling y'all, we teaching y'all, it's not public record. It's not public information. It's private. So if it's private information, wouldn't that mean there can be no witnesses to the act? So she calls everybody back in the room, has her bailiff call everybody back in the room, and she gonna say, back on record, we're gonna push this out for 35 days. And she said to the prosecutor, you won't get no more time than that. Like she was doing something for the guy. So it was so funny though, because he know the bullshit. And so I was looking at the guy up and down. I'm like, I'm trying to see, this is an impossibility, but the human mind is the human mind. I'm trying to see what type of man this guy is, that he understands this information. So he looked to be of a Latino descent. He had tattoos up and down his neck and on his arms, but none on his face. He looked like he was comfortable in jail. And I'm thinking, that's where all that information is that we need. It's in the jail libraries. Those books are so old. They have all the information. There's nothing hidden. That's why you see most of the people, the gurus or the fake gurus y'all talk about, they got this information from being in jail. The people with the most success in this situation are people who spent some time in jail and they learned it. They had somebody teach them. So, I mean, I just choose freedom. Always have, always will. And y'all should know that everything ain't for everybody. So, when the time is right for you to take in this information and apply it to your life, you will. So be patient with yourself.